Good morning, Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Vehicles. Well, today, this one is a recent part exchange. Gentleman's just part exchanged against a Crafter, so a slightly different vehicle. This one is a Ford Transit Custom. It's a 2024 December 74 registration. It's the 170 Limited automatic diesel engine, so the high output engine, 170 PS. It's done 16,900 miles. Now the vehicle is a panel van, or should I say was a panel van. It's been converted into a day van, super conversion, all professionally done. I'll walk around the vehicle, show you the condition on the exterior, and then I'll go inside and show you what's being done inside the vehicle. Now this limited model does have great specification. All the spec will be on our website, but additional factory options, navigation, heated steering wheel. So it's all fully spec'd, air conditioning as you would imagine, LED headlights, cruise control, front and rear park sensors, rear camera, etc, etc. Now it's finished in Agate Black Metallic, 16,000 miles, so bodywork lovely for the age and mileage. It's not brand new, so it would be the odd little stone chip on the bonnet. Of course, we can't help them these days, but all been professionally detailed, touched in. It's got the glass block front splitter. Also, customers fitted these 18-inch caliber black alloys. So really practical, these day vans. So it's a 5-seater, 2 front captain seats. It's got a rear RIB Kombi roll bed system. So 5-seater, as I say, all professionally converted. It's got the side windows, it's got the glazed tailgate. I'm walking around the outside, of course, just to show you the condition, but it's the interior and the conversion what's going to sell this vehicle. As I say, really practical, can be a daily user. 5-seater, or for those trips away, or a night over somewhere. The seats fold into a proper bed. Front captain seats are swivel, so it's had these swivels fitted as well. The 170 PS diesel auto, great combination, really smooth, got the power you need. So little indentation on the door handle, keyless access, push button start, large digital infotainment system, dashboard. So you've got things like wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your navigation of course built in there, reverse camera, climate control. It all works from that centre screen. I'm just going to run down here. So the red handle, both sides are the swivel seats. Again, crash tested, professionally fitted by the conversion company. Folded wing mirrors. These limited are great specification. Now just go up close. If you can see through the window, got the blinds. They're called van shades. Again, expensive blinds for the tailgate and side windows. Okay, so the best bit. So it's got the RIB bed system, so it's a 3-seat Kombi, isofix points, all folds down, dead easy, which I'll fold it down to do the photograph so you can see the bed folded down. All fully carpet lined, sound deadened, and then I'll put that in what we call a colour mode. So it's also had this starlit ceiling fitted, LED downlights, remote control for the ceiling so you can have it in different colours. As I say, I've set it in twinkle mode. LED downlights, lovely touch sensitive pad so you can alter the brightness and turn them off just by touching there. Just climb inside, put those back on again. So that's one of the van shades, so dead easy to work. All built in, there we go. Also got these push out USB, so if you want to charge your phone. Rear shades on the tailgate. Now the bed system, seat system, bed system is all on a rail system, all professionally fitted. Second battery under the seat. Just open the tailgate up. Okay, so vehicle's had its first service 10,000 miles, so that's all been done. Now these were the people who did the conversion, Colebrook CSC and Transporters, based down in Plymouth. And customers kindly provided a full invoice, everything what's been done, down to stripping the interior, doing the carpet lining, the sound deadening, the roof. Name of all the sockets, the actual screws. There we go, look at that. £11,571. That's the cost of this conversion. That's what the customer spent to convert this vehicle. There we have it. So just to recap, 2024 74 December, Transit Custom 170 Limited automatic diesel 2-litre engine, just covered 16,900 miles, super condition in black metallic, RIB roll bed system, so 5-seat Kombi, folds into a bed. Google it, RIB bed systems, starlit ceiling, sound deadened, carpet lined, swivel captain seats in the front, glazed tailgate, fully van shades on the windows. It's available plus VAT, so if you're buying it through a business, because it was a van from new, great as a a vehicle for work, got that practicality, or if you're wanting it for leisure, recreational work, fantastic. Now we'll be live on our website, all the spec. Also I will upload all the photographs, all the information, and it will be for sale very, very shortly on our website, www.justnicefans.co.uk. Now funding options are available, part exchange welcome, all usual dealer facilities, HPI clear, etc, etc, 2 keys. The vehicle will not be with us long, I'm led to believe, because there's not many of this standard conversion about, and great colour, spec, combination. Keen to do a deal, so if it's something you're interested in, certainly give myself, Chris, a call, 07888 989877, and all's left as usual to say is very, very much appreciated watching this video today. If you would like to subscribe or like our YouTube channel, that'd be great. And if you would like a WhatsApp video of the bed or anything, certainly give me a call, and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.